What are the types of constructor? In Java, constructor can be divided into 4 types. First one is no argument constructor. Second one, parameterized constructor. Third one, default constructor. Fourth one, copy constructor. What is No-Args constructor? As name specifies, the no argument constructor does not accept any argument. By using the No-Args constructor, we can initialize the class data members and perform various activities that we want on object creation. What is parameterized constructor? The constructor with parameters is called parameterized constructor. Default constructor. If we don't create any constructor, Java compiler automatically creates a no-arg constructor during execution of the program. This constructor is called the default constructor, or we can say that the constructor with no parameter is called default constructor. The constructor with no parameter is called default constructor. Copy constructor. What is copy constructor? A copy constructor is used to create an exact copy of an object. It takes an object of the same class as a parameter and copies its attribute. Means in copy constructor, one object with parameter is copied into another object, or we can also say that in this type of constructor, one object with parameter is copied into another object. So it is called copy constructor. Copy constructor.